Hey everybody, today I'm going to take a look at the Prohear AM/FM Bluetooth hearing protection headphones. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the box and see what you get. So in the box you get this nice carrying bag, and inside the bag is where you'll find the headphones themselves. In addition to the headphones, you'll also get a USB charging cable, another cable that you'll be able to plug into the headphone jack back here, and then also your user manual. Here's a closer look at the headphones themselves. You can see they have a really nice foam squishy ear covers here. You also get a really nice thick padded top. You have the antenna itself, and then these will be your control buttons, and it'll show you what radio station or what Bluetooth you're on. What's really nice about these, they do have a 2 amp hour battery, so you're going to get really long life. And you're going to have some other features in here, like being able to have memory settings, and then also be able to use that Bluetooth. One thing I really like these headphones for are a multitude of different tasks that you're going to be completing, like such as running the tractor, doing some yard work with the weed eater or leaf blower, and then also running chainsaws and things like that. These are really going to be useful to help protect your hearing, and the rate at which they will reduce noise is by 25 decibels, so it's a pretty good amount. So using the headphones is really simple. You just press the button here, turns it on, and then you can press back or forward to tune, and then you can also press and hold the memory, and this will let you select what memory preset you want, and there are 10 presets that you can use. So to switch between the different AM FMs and Bluetooth, you're just going to press this once, and you can see now it's on AM, and then now it's trying to pair on Bluetooth. So riding the tractor around, cutting grass is pretty loud. Definitely recommend having ear protection for that. These headphones are perfect for it. With that 25 decibel noise reduction rating, it's great to not actually hear anything when you're riding around the tractor. With that said, when you're going around the yard for a while, spending an hour cutting grass and trimming, you're going to get really bored, which is where that AM and FM really come in handy. And if there's a game or anything like that that you want to listen to, it's perfect for that. You can also listen to your favorite podcast on the Bluetooth. I really enjoyed that. A few other things that I really liked about the headphones were that they weigh less than a pound, and didn't really notice them on my head very much. Very comfortable with that top pad, and also the padding around the ears is very comfortable. And it looks like it gets about 48 hours of Bluetooth time and 40 hours plus of AM/FM time.